Yo, what is going on YouTube? Back again. It's the Brat Man. I want to thank everybody for all the subscribers. That's awesome. And I wanted to show you guys my trailer today. My camper slash, well, I wouldn't say camper, but enclosed trailer slash toy hauler camper conversion, but I'm keeping it stealth looking, and no, I'm not finished it yet. I just wanted to show you guys, do a quick walk around. As you can see from the outside, it's all, you know, factory, no modifications at all to the outside, no windows. I didn't really want to do a window because basically privacy. I didn't want anyone able to see inside, to know what I have inside. So that's one of the main reasons why I didn't go with a window. You can see barely, you can see the solar panels up on the roof. They're 250 watts a piece, so I got 500 watts of solar. So I'm going to extend this up so you guys can take a peek of the solar panels. I don't know if my selfie stick will go up that high, but I don't know if you can take a look at the solar panels. But I got two panels up there and a junction box in the middle that the wires go into, a little junction box. But yeah, this is the tour of my enclosed trailer camper slash toy hauler. I didn't know if I really wanted to use it as a toy hauler anymore. I was just going to use it just as a stealth camper. I was going to get a bigger trailer for my bikes and just use this for but I don't know, it depends on where I end up putting the bed at. If I put the bed in a good spot, maybe I can just use this as a you know, toy hauler also. You can see the air conditioning unit in the front. So I did put an air conditioning unit in here. I'm not finished it yet, so we'll go inside, we'll take a look, show you guys what I did. Grab the key. Take a look inside. And like I said, guys, it's not finished. Nothing's fancy in here. So here's my refrigerator. This refrigerator runs 24/7, 7 days a week, all the time. There's my battery bank. You can see the batteries. So this inverter, I really wouldn't say it's all that great. It's not enough. I have to change this inverter out. It says it's 1,000 watts, but 500 watts is pushing it on that when you run the air conditioner, so it kind of struggles. So I would not recommend this Renogy inverter. It's okay to run, you know, small stuff like this TV. It'd be okay for that. I mounted this TV on the swivel mount, so you can pull it out. You can pull the TV out, turn it any way you want, which is really cool. So I got the swivel mount on there, which I really like. There's still some things I have to finish up in here. Like I said, it's definitely not finished by any means, but got the flat screen TV on the wall. Put a little desk here, so I can put my laptop here. Got my light, little LED desk lamp, which works great. Low power. Low power is key to when you're running a solar system. I would recommend using everything LEDs. I got the television here, so you just you know, can relax, watch some TV. It's pretty cool. So yeah, quick walk around. Here's the AC unit I have to finish this. I'm not done it yet. I'm in the process of putting like some molding. I have to put like a nice trim molding around there, and then I have to put a little cover, like a what do you call it? I don't even know what it's even called because I'm so tired right now and I can't even really think. But yeah, so here's my refrigerator. It's a great refrigerator. It has an actual freezer. So I have put a pizza in there, some freezer goods. Then I have my all my water and soda, food. You could put lunch meat in there. I was gonna go with a bigger fridge than this. I might go with a bigger one, like a, what do you call it, a 4.5 cubic foot. Sits up a little higher, but this is good for now. And this runs 24/7 on the solar system, 7 days a week. Got plenty of power to power this refrigerator 24/7. TV's great because it's LED too, and it's a smart TV, and you can hook it up to Wi-Fi, which is awesome. I got plenty of room over here for my bikes. So this is just a quick tour of this trailer. I'm not finished it yet. I put cardboard down on the floors to protect the floor from my bikes. So I put these little mats down here so nothing leaks on the floor. And I coated the floor with a really nice, I don't know if you can see that, but I textured it with that it's not urethane, or I forget what it's called. It's like a garage floor coating. I did that, so it looks pretty good. I also did the trim. See that? It's hard to see because everything's in here, but you can see the trim. I did the trim real nice. And so I have this covered up for now just to protect everything. So yeah, I was gonna do the bed right here. I was gonna put the bed over this way probably. And then maybe like a sink on this side. Put a sink over here and a shower. If I went that far, maybe put the shower right here. Like, box it in right here. Then I'll have some more room over this way. I don't know. I probably wouldn't do it on this side. I probably put everything on one side, like the bed, the sink, the shower, then the sink. And then one spot could be for the bike. But I don't know if like I said, I'm probably going to end up going with a bigger trailer for my bikes and just using this one for my camping, hauler. I don't know yet. I'm still confused. I don't know what I want to do. Oh, and I also put these shop lights in. These are really bright for when I'm in here working on, like, putzing around, working on a bike or something like that. I got these super bright LED shop lights, which are great. And you can't even tell that they're even up there. They just blend right in, which is really cool, They hide so nice in here. You can buy these at Walmart. So they're just really bright though. You don't want these for when you're relaxing in here. They'll blind the crap out of you. So I got to get some low level lighting throughout here. And I want to decorate this whole thing. Like I said, I'm not done. I want to do the walls. Put some cool like car pictures up and stuff, and motorcycle stuff. Memorabilia, whatever. So I want to fix it up a little bit. But this is just the beginning stages of this. I haven't had time to finish everything. So, like I said, folks, this is what you see is what you get. Got the AC in. Got my solar set up here. I was thinking about adding 2 more panels up there. That would probably put me I have like about 500 watts now. That would probably put me about 1,000 watts total if I add 2 more. But yep, so this is it here. And some people even have beds where they hang right here, which is pretty cool. It's like up in the air. Maybe we can build like a bunk, but I don't know. I want a decent amount of space to sleep, so I don't know what I'm going to do yet. But this is just a quick walk around of my little trailer, enclosed trailer / toy hauler camper. And this is just so cool with this mount, because you can swing this TV any way you want. You can bring it out this way and turn it this way and bring it forward. You can actually swing it to the middle, which is really cool. Really, really neat. If you just want to get away for a while, get away from people, you can just come in here and relax and not have to deal with anyone. It's great. It's the best getaway ever. It's probably the best money actually that was spent. So a lot of hard work, but yeah, So this is it, and it's the tour of the enclosed trailer. And like I said, I'm still finishing this. I got to put some trim around here to make it look a little bit nicer. It looks good. I just have to get a cover, like not a visor, but can't even think of the friggin' name of it right now, but it's kind of like what you see up there on the door that covers the top of the door. I can't even think of it. That's how bad I am with stuff right now. But you see the back door is a folding back door. I mean, just folds down. It's not a split door, doesn't swing open, which is great because if you have bikes, you want the one that comes down, but folds down so you can load your bikes in and out of it. So yeah, here she is here. Definitely looks pretty, it's pretty nice. I mean, I really like this trailer. It's definitely a sharp looking trailer. It has LEDs throughout the whole thing. I had no problems with this trailer at all yet. Really nice LED lighting throughout the whole entire trailer. So I think you guys can see the panels. I'll try to get you guys up there one more time. See if the selfie stick goes up there, but you can see the panels up there. I don't know if it goes high enough, but you can see the panels up there on the roof. So I got a junction box up there. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, so that's what it looks like up there. I don't know if the selfie stick went up that high, but thank you for all the people who subscribe to my channel and all the likes. I appreciate it. And I'll be back with some more videos. Stay tuned. If you have any more questions on an enclosed trailer, any feedback is fine. Whatever you guys are doing out there, whatever you guys are working on, let me know. I would like to hear it. I'm definitely into this kind of stuff, so if you folks out there have any type of builds you guys are building, let me know. And any questions, let me know. Whatever I can help you guys with, I'll be more than happy to help. If I can help you guys out, I'll definitely help somebody out. So stay tuned for more videos. The Brat Man signing off. I'll be back with some more bike videos and some more trailer videos too. Why not? So see you guys soon. Be safe out there. Peace and hair grease. See you.